Hi, Barry House, Pro-powerflushing, telephone number 07836 353 985. We're doing a power flush today in Whitchurch. I think Whitchurch is in Shropshire. System's an open vented central heating system. A lot of blockages in here. The customer didn't have any hot water going through his cylinder, the coil going through his cylinder. We've flushed that, we've cleared it. And part of the extension was piped in some plastic pipes. We've cleared that as well, so that's pretty good because we really don't like plastic pipes. They sometimes don't clear with power flushing. Okay, so this is where we are today, Whitchurch, Shropshire, this is what we do day in, day out. Power flush central heating systems to BS 7593 standard. I'll just tell you what power flushing is about. I'll tell you about our service, about me. I'm the actual person who does the power flushing, Barry Ayres. I'm a fully gas safe registered engineer, very, very important. And this is what we do, power flush central heating systems. We've got one to do tomorrow. Customers had no heat for over a week. Got a disabled lady wife, I believe. And we're going to go there and power flush the system, and we're going to get him up and running again. They've had a new pump on it and everything like that, but it's just not cleared, so obviously blocked, solid, and we'll get it power flushed and get it up and running. So that's what power flushing is all about. It's about getting all the rust, metal and corrosion out of the central heating system. We'll just show you the colour of the water. It's actually rusty. That was in the header tank before. Cleared the header tank, got debris in there. We've got the magnet hooked up. We've got the Camco CF90 Quantum 2 power flush machine on it, and we've got the FX2 chemical in there as well, yeah? All done absolutely 100% properly. The job takes most of the day to complete. We've hooked in through the pump, we've capped it all off in the loft, just to get the best flow. We don't do it the easy way. We've had to take the pipes up through the window, through the bathroom window, and that's where his airing cupboard is, and that's where the pump is, and that's where we've hooked into. Okay? So our prices are up to 50% cheaper than the major utility companies such as British Gas, Home Service, etc. Fully certificated, as we said, all okay with your service provider, whether it be British Gas, Home Service, or most of our customers are in fact British Gas customers. Okay, we're based in Bramall, Stockport, Manchester, and we cover a 60 to 70 mile radius of our hometown, hence us being in Whitchurch today. So we're just going to get on with the job. It's probably going to get dark. We know we've got a good flow around the system. We're going to put Fernox F1 in there later. So I'm pretty much going to sign off really. If you need any work like this doing, give me a call on telephone number 07836 353 985, or contact us through our website pro-powerflushing.co.uk. Okay, thank you very much. Bye.